If you're looking for some amazing home finds on a budget, I have rounded up 20 of my most favorite Amazon home products that look so much more expensive than they actually are. These are products that I use and I love, and I cannot wait to share them with you. Let's get started. First up, we have these hotel style bed pillows. Now, I have had these in our vacation rental for over a year, and this is the #1 item that my guests ask us about. They are so plush, soft, and squishy, and over a year later, they still hold their shape and they still look absolutely brand new. So if you're looking for that hotel-like experience at home, I would highly recommend these bed pillows. I will link these down in that description box below, as well as everything I'm mentioning in today's video. You can also find all of my favorite Amazon finds on my Amazon US and Amazon Canada shops. I will link those down in the description box below too. And if you go to my Amazon shop, whether it's the Canadian one or the US one, I also share some fashion finds like this. I really love this piece. Some of my favorite earrings are there, my favorite slides, some skincare. So if you're interested in all of that, check out my shops for those finds and deals in that description box below. If you are looking to make your older mattress feel like a plush hotel mattress, this mattress cover is so squishy and plush. We bought ours like 4 years ago and it still feels amazing. It's easy to wash. You can bleach it with OxiClean, and I feel like it instantly made our older mattress feel so much more high-end. It's a great way to make your mattress feel new on a budget. Next, this elegant candle warmer not only looks beautiful on a side table, but it's also practical. You can use it to warm up your candles and release a nice subtle scent. It's a great alternative to burning your candle if you don't want to have a flame in your home. It also creates a perfect cozy ambiance in your living room or your bedroom. So we have the Nespresso Virtuo Next coffee machine in both of our vacation rentals, and oh my gosh, our guests also rave about this. We've even had guests message us after their stay saying they purchased this machine. I love all the Virtuo pod flavors. I also have a Nespresso Virtuo in my own home. It's a really easy and quick way to make cafe style coffees if you're on a budget and you don't want to buy coffees from the cafe. I also love the Aerochino frother, and this one is on sale for Prime Day and often goes on sale throughout the year. I'll make sure to link the best deal down in that description box below. For cleaning up spills on area rugs and keeping my upholstery spotless, whether it's in our little rentals or at home, I absolutely love this little green machine. I've talked about this before. I still really love this machine. I think I've had ours for like 7 or 8 years. Mine's the older model. They do have a newer model as well, so you can have a look at the stats and compare them, but I do like this older one. I clean my whole sofa with this and let it dry overnight. The next day it looks absolutely spotless, brand new, and look at how much gunk I can get out of our sofa. These slim velvet hangers are an absolute game changer for closet organization. I love this rose gold variety with a nice creamy white color. They look so cute in our little cabin, and look at how little space they take up on this rod. This is a great idea if you have limited closet space or hanging space, and I also love how the velvet has texture so it grips onto clothes so they don't fall off your hanger. This Vornado vintage style fan is the cutest thing ever. I had to get this and put it in our little cabin. It looks so sweet in here. It matches the mid-century vibe we have in this cabin, and this actually functionally works really well. It's been hot here. We don't have air conditioning in the cabin, so it's definitely helped us and our guests feel nice and cool. This portable labeling machine is one of my favorite little gadgets that I've had for the last few months. It works so well. It connects to an app on your phone via Bluetooth. Super easy and simple to use. You can create multiple labels in a matter of minutes. It's a really handy tool to have, whether it's for kitchen organization or even if you have like a little shop and you do pop-ups and markets like I do to create labels on the go. This fun solar water pump is a really fun way to add an elegant water feature to your garden. I placed mine in a planter full of water within another larger planter where I have some annual flowers around it. It still looks great to this day. I made this a few months ago. I just have to top the water up every now and then. My kids love it, my pets love it, and it's such a fun little water feature for the front of our house. Now for something really close to my heart, these linen cotton bed sheets I actually designed myself. You can find these in my Cozy Prairie Linens shop, cozyprairielinen.com. However, I do have them on Amazon as well. This 55% linen, 45% cotton blend is my absolute favorite blend to sleep in. It's breathable, it's durable, but it has the softness and coziness of cotton, and and it's more affordable than 100% linen bedding. I have these as separates on my own website as well as Amazon, so you can purchase the pillowcase pair separately, the flat sheet and the fitted sheet, so you can mix and match your own bedding to create your absolute favorite dream set. I also love this vintage inspired hem stitch detail on the pillowcase and the flat sheet. It just reminds me of something that I would find in my grandma's cottage. Speaking of my designs, check out my 100% linen pillow covers. These throw pillow covers are also vintage inspired, come in a few different patterns, and you can find these on Amazon too. They're also in my shop, cozyprairielinens.com. The Amazon Fire Stick is not only a fantastic way to turn any TV into a smart TV to watch all of your favorite streaming services, but I also love it to turn my plain TV into an art TV. So I just navigate to YouTube with my Fire Stick. My Fire Stick connects right to the back of my TV, and then on YouTube I find my favorite vintage art channel and it plays the art on the TV, making it look like an expensive art TV. This is a great way to add some style to your space when you're not watching the television. My girls and I love to make cafe style drinks at home to save some money, and we absolutely love these cups with the bamboo lids. They also come with these glass straws. We do hand wash the lids and the straws, really easy to hand wash, and we put the cups in the dishwasher. These hold 2 cups of liquid, so we can make all kinds of Starbucks inspired drinks in here, and we've had these for over a year and still love them to this day. Now for home security, the Ring camera is top notch. It is my favorite camera. We've had them at our home and our vacation rentals for years now. The recording quality is excellent. You can set up alerts. You can even set up this floodlight version to come on at dusk. Sean and I have these attached to apps on both of our phones. It's really easy to see what's going on. And compared to a lot of other personally monitored security systems, this one has a relatively low monthly fee. I'll leave a link to all of the information for the Ring camera down in that description box below. These magnetic spice shelves are both really cute and practical. I love how they add some more storage on the side of our little fridge in our tiny cabin. There's not much space here, so this is a great solution to add some more storage. I use them to hold spices and utensils, and over a year later, they're still nice and strong. The magnet attaches just great, and our guests love them. The Breville Barista Express machine is, I know I'm showing another coffee machine, but this one is also a favorite if you just want that classic fresh espresso. You can grind the beans right on top of this machine. I've had this for 7, I think coming up 8 years, and it's still wonderful to this day. You can make beautiful 1 or 2 shot espressos, plus it has a built-in milk frother on the side. I love a good classic latte with just fresh ground espresso, nice frothed milk, and this one makes the ultimate cup of coffee. Now these cotton rope baskets are fantastic for home storage. Not only are they practical, and I love the size they offer, but they look really cute too, especially this colorway. It's my favorite. It's kind of a creamy white rope with a natural. It would work in so many different home decor styles. Now this divided serving tray with a handle is one of my newer purchases from Amazon, and oh my goodness, I love this thing. We used it camping, we've used it for trips to the lake. I love how you can hold charcuterie inspired ingredients. You can put the little cups inside in the dishwasher. You do have to hand wash the case and lid. However, I find it really easy to clean. This is a great way too if you have picky eaters and you want to divide all the different things for your family to enjoy. And this one is on sale today, so definitely snatch this one up if you've been looking at this serving container. We've had the Google Nest thermostat in our homes for a long time now, and it is a game changer when it comes to temperature control in your home. It's really easy to adjust. Our guests also use this. We have it connected to apps on our phones so we can see what the temperature is looking like at our rentals and at our own home. And the app is really user-friendly too. Definitely a great investment and also on sale today. So there you have it, 20 of my favorite elevated home products from Amazon. Let me know down in those comments below if you have any of these, if you would add any more items that you love to this list that look high-end but are nice and affordable from Amazon. Make sure to check that description box below to all of the links to the products I'm mentioning today. Because it's Amazon Prime Day today, if you want any of these items, get them as soon as possible before the sale is done. And also don't forget to check out my shop, cozyprairielinens.com, for my linen cotton blend sheets, pillowcases, and more. Thank you so much for supporting me and my small business. I also like Amazon items for home organization, so I'm gonna leave a video for you to watch next all about some Amazon home organization hacks, along with some IKEA organization hacks and more right up here.